Well, that looks great, doesn't it? Boy, oh boy, is that going to look funky on YouTube. Why is that gone all funny? Ah, well. Doesn't really matter anyway, so we've got that. Okay, and we started to come back from there as well, so. Why is that gone all funny? Okay, this is exactly what I was talking about. This is exactly what I wanted. So a little bit of panic on the open. So don't copy me on this, guys, if I do anything. Just hesitated too much. No. Pretty dangerous going short in this market. As soon as that's dropped, crazy. Let's just see how this 5-minute closes. So for those of you that are on, I know we've got some people on YouTube, but I'll just repeat it again. These are 5 new Take Profit Trader accounts. I've made $1,000. I just made over $1,200 and something today on the other ones, and they have a 50% consistency rule. So there's no point trading them. You can only make it. You've got to pass it in 5 days. You can't pass it in 1 day. So I've just got 5 new accounts. Just trading them as well as the Apex ones in the background. This is crazy volatile at the moment. It's okay. I'm just going to do this with just with one. That was good timing right at the end. There's nothing to really trade here, guys. I wouldn't be trading this. Yeah, don't like that. I'm just going to get out of that. Should have taken the earlier one. So this is just really volatile. This is going to keep going. It's going to close strong on the 5 too. So yeah, it just doesn't look good on that, does it? Really strong 5-minute close. So give us a pullback. Excellent. Maybe down to that level. No, look how quickly that recovered. Is it going to give us a chance? I don't think it is. Well, it gave us a chance. It did the pullback. Okay, we've done a pretty strong phase here. We need a bit of a pullback. We're coming up to this significant high. Yeah, that was... One, two, 3 times. 3 times it came all the way down here. Stop drifting. Whoa. What on earth? Well, that happened on the micro, not on the Nasdaq. So someone just took out the whole market depth. Okay, lucky the 30-second just came back down, but still think this is going to go. Yep. Yep, through the high we go. Let's just see. Look at that. That's how quickly that can happen. Try it again. That was better. So usually when you just get this is just a brand new account, I usually try and just do quickly like PPTs, just to get to like $500 up. It's also really messy at the moment. I just took the 15-second before, and it went into profit. And by the time I got out, it had gone back to break even. That's how quickly it happens at the moment. So yeah, should have stayed in. Why is that on sim, you ding dong? That's a waste of time having that on sim, isn't it? Well, like I said before, if anyone's going short here, you're on drugs. Wow. Come on, keep going. Come down to this low for me. I don't think it'll come down to here, but if it did. Now, just so you know, I mean, we've got YouTube going here at the moment. I don't even have the chat window up on YouTube. I don't know if you're asking questions or anything, but I've got the chat window shut on my community. I've got YouTube shut as well. So I'm not here to answer questions at the moment. I'm just watching the market. I'm here to trade. So if you've written any questions, I'll try and get to them in about 45 minutes or something. But the first hour, I'm just going to I just concentrate on trading. I don't do any questions and stuff like that. So I'm not ignoring you if you've written anything. Just trading these markets at the moment requires 110% focus. There's plenty of entertainment channels around if you want entertainment. So we've done another higher low here, and it's above that high too. So see if we build a base here. So we're crazy strong on the upside. But on the higher time frames, we are definitely slowing. So cash chart is volatile. We've tried to break through that high, and now we're just drifting back down a little bit. The important level will definitely be this level here. If we drift down to it, just want to see if we hold this. this looks good coming down to this level. Just need to go all the way down. We could get a bounce from here. Still got trend straight up on the 30-second. Come back down for a little bit. I just need a little bar up for a second. Nope. So here we are, right on this level. Come on, breakthrough. Next level down, that's good, come on. Next level down will be here. That would be a great level to get to. Okay, so 27 seconds to go on the 5 minutes. So it's going to be a strong close on the 5. Again, if we can get, it's still a very strong uptrend here. We've got trend and momentum still straight up. So if we can just get a little bit of a move down to that level there. So why is that level different? Because it's there. Okay, cool. Yep, so we need to go down to this level here, which we're about to get to. Come on. Be very careful if you're short here. This is right near a level. So unfortunately, from a green perspective, there's nothing really clean at the moment. So just got to be patient here, but This could find support here and come back up. That's what I'm expecting. See how weak this is. Very important level here. Yep, now there's some real panic. It'll give me a chance there. Yeah, missed it. Should have taken that. Come back down to 50% of that. Oh, this is crazy strong. May get another chance if it comes back down. It's going to have to come back down pretty quick. To drop for me. It's going to have to go further than that. Okay, so 5 minute is closed, really strong. It's now gone 4 times down to those levels. I think it's safe to say they don't want it to drop. See if we can give it again. Slowing there. Just need a really strong move down here. Certainly might be going short. Just want. Come down. Come on, a little further. So I just took the 30-second then, just for a PPT. Like I said, these are all just, I'm just trying to build this up. This is just the start of an eval. I'm already like $1,500 up on the other eval, so just build this up to, what I normally do is build it up to $500, and then I can be more aggressive, like I can take more trades. It takes drawdown out, so that way you're in profit straight away. You don't need to worry about drawdown, you don't need to worry about this. So the start of the account is the most important. And that is going to keep, oh, no it shouldn't actually, because trend is down. These really are like just crazy trading conditions though. Okay, it's going to try again. Come on. If it can come down to this level again, it's going to do that again. My goodness. Okay. If it can come down to that low, I just feel like they're messing with people here. Come on. No, it's not going to do it this time. It's going to come down. Okay, so let's watch it. Let's see what it does along this low. It's already hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times around this area. Why not try it again, hey? Push it down. So we're definitely in a time phase now. Are we going to break through this level? So this, if we're going to break through these level now, momentum really needs to increase. It doesn't look like it's increasing. I think it's going to turn. Here it is. What are you going to do? So we're definitely slowing here. This is not looking great for the downside. Minute to go on the 5. They really need to push this through. 5 minute needs to close below the level again. So let's put those really important levels again. That's where it was there. 1, 2, 3 levels. We're going to come up to that again. Well, if it doesn't get through this time, you think it has to absolutely go nuts to the upside. So make or break time. They must just laugh at people, seriously. Come back down for a second. Okay. Okay, well, it's too, I don't like it here. I think it's too far into the move, but it meets the 30 seconds, so. There we go. Oh well. Made money. Well, I think that this is the most I've traded tonight. So you notice then I said I didn't really want to take that. I didn't like it, but was definitely trend time bar on the 30 second. It's probably going to keep going now. Well, called that pretty perfectly. Sorry, Dean, I saw you've put a message on YouTube. As I said, I'm not looking at the YouTube chat, so sorry, mate. I don't know what your message was. You retracted it, but... And Sumatra, speak to Ninja Trader. I don't know why your stop loss isn't working, but that's a Ninja Trader thing, not a Cam thing. So we're up $400 on each account, pretty much. So that's pretty good. And this is what I said earlier. So what I will normally do is try and get to around about $500. And $500 means, you know, you can usually risk on one contract 40 points. So at no stage on this account, on these accounts, I just got them today, no stage have I been in drawdown. So that's why it's so important when you're doing with evals. Or like this is a evaluation for a funded account. So this is exactly how I trade a funded account. There's no difference. That is very interesting, Cam. They just must laugh at people because, I mean, that's gone down to that level so many times now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. Jesus, guys, you're not going to do it again. This can't come down again. Okay, it's going to do it again. This is silly. Well, guys, if you're looking at a 30-second chart, you'll know why this is silly. If it can come down to this low again, then it could be another long, but this one here might be a higher low. Wow. Boy, oh boy, is there some volatility. They're doing it again. Okay, and it's breaking that too, so. No, that's not going to close strong. Okay, guys, I'm going to, for the community, turn on the window. Okay, that window is open for the community. Yeah, it doesn't look right. Thanks, guys. This is my best live trading session in 3 years. So I'm almost ready to just shut it down. But this is by far probably this is the best trading session I've done in 3 years. So. And I think what's really helped too is instead of talking crap like I used to, like I'm trying to talk through the move now. So when I'm talking through the move, I'm actually talking technically. And I've been really concerned in the past about, oh, it doesn't meet this rule or it doesn't look like this for you guys. So I'm actually just trading based on how I would trade now. And yeah, so it just makes sense. Yeah, that's the funny thing, Bridget. When you start worrying about everybody else, everything else, and also shutting down the chat has been a really big thing. So but I mean, they're all PPTs too. I've just taken PPTs on these, so there's room for improvement. I could have stayed in on this one throughout here. It was. Could have gotten in there. I actually got in there, got in too late. So you see the difference now? Like I'm not taking these. It's doing the same sort of pattern, but you see how much more volatile the time is. See before this one here, look at the beautiful, like this, it's just doing small bars. Beautiful small bars. Yeah, I know, Basil. I know. I think there's like 8 people on. I'll shut the YouTube channel down in about 5 minutes, so that's okay. But yeah, I mean, look at this before this move here. You know, look at all this price slowing into the bottom of the move. God, now it's going up again. Yeah. Well, I'm just gonna not do anything silly here. Just gonna wait for the right trade. I think we're still in this range. So we've got this range here. Whenever it's got to this top here, it has stopped. So let's see if it gives it a go this time. Now the difference now is we've got 13 seconds to go on the 5 minutes, so this might actually go through this time. You got blue screaming up behind on the 30 seconds. So let's just see. Strong close on the 5. You do have momentum turning over. You can see it's got that turning over pattern. So it must hold 50% of that 5 minute bar. Okay, well, YouTube, that's it for you guys. That's the best YouTube session I've done ever. So that's good. Did we have any losses? I think we had one loss. One small loss at the start, that's good. So anyways, we're just slowly. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great night. And we'll see you tomorrow.